only have one chat. Tayo ka chat, so you can say, can you have skin please? But yan tayo don't have skins. I only got in the handgun. But I was kind of noob. I didn't know what to pick.
Oh no, what is at 11? No, also, aren't they 11?
Kaya alam ko ba spray na yung favorite ko? Huh? Spray na yung favorite ko. Guys, hindi pa ako nag-smooth in my first time. And tayo this is smooth.
Sing sing dang sing dang yo, tingge, tingge, tingang. Aray, aray. Kawawa po siya unakin. Kuya ko sila. Mata si Kevin.
Oh, lock in the print. Ay, lock in Marcos. Oh, Marcos. Oh, don't do, ano ko, good. What is sniper shot? What is sniper?
Yes.
Guys, I get sniper and I get golden sniper. I just don't wanna use Oh my god, Lakin! Shot!
Shot.
Oh my god. Lakin! Oh, no, I'm dead.
You cook.
Yo! No, the kill! What the? You know what? The headshot. I get the blue skin. You're the best hero.
Wire up.
Hindi yung shotgun.
105.
Gumagamit ko naman sa shotgun. Oo.
Napunta ako bahay extra.
Diego!
Ano health na?
Hi, shot.
Health ah.
Wait, well? This chat. Spam W's in the chat. Even though there's no chat, just spam W's. No! Is it a cell tayo?
Yes. One more.
Oh! Ito na 100. Is it one time?
Wait lang, isip ko, 100.
Minute ko lang in chat. Minute ko lang in. Akin tayo. Tayo laki. Saya akin tayo chat.
What happened?
Have you ever seen somebody use flare gun in a 2v2? Like nobody. And I just know. I'm too pro. Too pro. Spam W's in the comments. Me and Tayo are not in the iPad. For recording we need iPad, but
Not the PC.
But you can, guys, you can video anything. You know how did Tayo find this? Tayo, how did you found this? How did you find this app? Are you hacking? No. Okay, kasi no. Sana. Well, if you don't know, I am in Filipino style, so I'm learning English. From speaking with Tayo and Gab. Yes, Tayo and Gab speak English. And
Yeah. I teaching English now, bro.
And I watch YouTube. Only the blue. No, Order completed! No, my wingsuit. Oh, yeah!
It's a one.
Oh my god, this looks so cool. I'm gonna put it to the Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. I'm gonna cute. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Maganda naman ah. Guys, I'm watching full 10. If you don't hear that, let me just turn off the TV because you guys are hearing that and you cannot hear it. I'm still a kid. We and I are kids. There is like 10, 9. Ilan taon ka na? 10. 10? Tayo, 10? I'm 8, guys. Yeah. Me and Tayo are unks.
You
Gab-gab and Tayo. Gab-gab and Ezra is the bunks.
Ano siya ulit? Chat?
Guys, wait na lang.
Na timer?
Tagal nila mag-pick. Let's pick a weapon. Pick music. Bro, just leave. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, if you don't know what ilang taon ka na, that's how old are you. I speak, me and I are Filipino.
Philippines! You must go.
Philippines, we just speak English because there's nobody understands Filipino. It's hard to speak. The Ezra's not here because it's just...
Here ako guys, chat.
Oh, speak tayo with the T. So, me and tayo are good at the game. I can use that one. Kasi I'm gonna use close one. Okay, I only play with Robin. Long range.
What? Wag ko lang rate ako.
I never play,
Chat!
I never use shotgun in my life, like, no. I never use shotgun.
Guys, Mark, spoil ko na yung red ako.
I'm dead, I'm almost dead. Uy, nasaya ka sa gaso.
Ano health na? 50. 50 na. Ano mo ko?
Fight! Oh! I'm gonna...
Bakit ko na yung red ako?
Well, what the fuck is that? It's color red for my skin. But in your skin, it's not color red.
Galing RPG? Yan.
Kapag hindi ko alam may you die. It's yellow hair. I can just run. Oh my god, he was hacking for one time. He was hacking. Right? The RPG is OP. The RPG is OP.
Yes. Ito also OP. Bakit your RPG?
Oh my! Bros are getting the emotes. Nice. Guys, do you know me? I was playing crossbow all the time.